Hello viewers, welcome to our channel append. In this video we are going to learn how to fix the error temporary failure in the name resolution. This error comes when you are trying to access some domain, say for example google.com, and you are getting this error. So instead of getting the IP for google.com or any domain, you get this error. So let's see how to fix this. First of all, open your terminal and try to access some domain, say for example s3.amazonaws.com. So this should resolve to an IP, but as we see it is giving temporary failure in name resolution. That means it's not able to resolve. So let's go into the file etc resolv.conf and check for name server. Here name server is set to something else. It's not the IP we wanted. It should be 8.8.8.8. So the name server is the IP of the server where the resolution of the domain happens. So your call will go to this server. So we have updated it. Now save it. Let's verify if it is saved. Okay, it is saved now. Now we will need to run a couple of commands. So systemctl restart systemd resolv.service. So there is a service running. As of now I am running a Ubuntu app in Windows, hence it is not going to restart this service because it's not running with the system in it is not running with PID1. So but your system should restart it. For me, I am going to restart the whole application of Ubuntu in Windows. Let's ping now. Okay, we are able to fix it for google.com. Let's try to ping it now. Ping s3.amazonaws.com and it should resolve now. Okay, it worked. You can get the commands in the description section of the video. Hope this fixed for you. Thanks for watching.